Cooking with Gigi. Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Gigi. Today we are making quiche. Quiche is my favorite thing to eat. Have you tried quiche? Well, give it some thumbs up if you did. If you're not, then try it right now. Okay, so here's the ingredients we're gonna need. Eggs, onions, feta cheese, garlic, and salami, cheddar cheese. Is that right? That's right. And spinach, heavy whipping cream, and milk. As you can see, I'm just pushing it because it's too heavy. Okay, and this is Parmesan and pie crust. Okay. Do you love spinach in your quiche? I love it. But if you don't like it or green vegetables, then you don't have to put it in. Bye. Let's get cooking with Gigi. Okay guys, step number 1. Your mom or dad have to cook it, the spinach, because kids don't touch the stove, microwave, or stove, microwave, oven. Stove, microwave, oven. Kids cannot touch. Got it? So here what we need. We need to cook the spinach, drain the spinach with this cool net because it looks like it. So drain the spinach. Look at me. I look so funny. Yum. So after we cooking it with this pot, then we have to drain it. And while my mom is cooking this, then I will be grating the cheddar cheese. First, I'll tell you the settings. So, here's the first setting. This is the first setting. This is the second setting. This is the third setting. This is the fourth setting. So this is the one that we used last time. So we're gonna be using this one in different setting this time. So let's get started. Okay, let's push and 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 push. Okay guys, I'm done grating the cheese. Look! My mom already drained the spinach, so I forgot to tell you about the oil. We need oil for this part. We have to saute the onions, and you have to cook it until it's golden brownish. So, do you like my new pink bowl? It's so pinky. And my mom cut it, of course. And now she cut it the salami. And do you remember when I grated the cheese? Right here. Come up close. Okay, I'm gonna get my mom started, but first I'm gonna put olive oil, which I forgot to tell you. And then I'm gonna throw in garlic and onions. So, let's pour this in. One tiny drop or big drop. Okay, that's good. Okay guys, this is how much I poured. I'll show you. It's this much. So you can do either that big or a little more. A little more. Okay, a little more. Okay, try put a little more, guys. So look at this. So I don't know if we're gonna put more. My mom is gonna do this if to put more. She said put more. Okay, this good. Okay. She said good. So now I'm gonna pull in this now. Let's get cookie with Gigi. That's my words. Bye. My mom finished sauteing the spinach, onion, garlic. So now I'm gonna put in 6 eggs and put the sugar cheese that I put in earlier. So first 6 eggs. Now whisk this and beat up the egg. Okay, I'm done. Put it on the side. Put in the seeds. Okay, this is the soda cheese I just blew in. And now time to it. But whatever, it's not too tricky to do with the seeds. Oh wait, this is coming out good. Okay guys, I'm done stirring now. I forgot to tell you salt and pepper and the salt. This is music inside. Okay, first salt. Huh? I can't even see the salt. If I just have to keep making it. Now it's time for the pepper. Does this sound familiar? Like an instrument? It sounds familiar to me. Oh, pepper I can see good. Okay, good. And now the salami. Salami, that's right. Salami. Okay, so this is a short of a cup. And this is shredded Parmesan. I don't know why they call it that. I'm going to try to open it. It's pretty easy. Yeah, it's pretty easy. Let's put this on the side. Okay, then open. Now put it in here. Okay, now I'm going to do the footer sheet. Do it. Yeah. I had this yesterday for dinner and it tasted so good. Well, I'm just gonna do it with my fingers. Never mind, that was my work and my mom helped me with this look. Okay, now let's put it in. One side and then. Okay, now. Oh yeah, this. Wait, this is first. Okay, so we still on short of a cup. It's because everything is short of a cup. This, even this. So I need help pouring the milk so I don't spill it. So my mom is gonna help me do it. Be right back. Bye. 1 minute. Okay, guys. Now I'm gonna pour this in. Be very careful. And my mom helped me do it, like I said. Now it's time to whisk. All ingredients are together. Oh, it's so bubbly. Look, guys, come. Guys, we almost done. But first, we have to pour into spinach, garlic, and onion. Okay, this is gonna be heavy. Okay, I cannot pour it. I'm just gonna scoop it. My mom helped me scoop it in. Now I'm gonna put it around. Whisk onto the bottom, like my mom said a minute ago. Okay, we're done adding the spinach mixture. Now we're gonna add the egg mixture, but this is too big for me. So you might not notice, but I'm just gonna take scoop by scoop with a cup. Okay, my mom told me it's gonna float by itself later, so I don't know. I'm just gonna put it around. Oh, it's spreading by itself. Oh, so cool. Now let's add a little more. Okay, fitting perfectly in the pie crust. And come, look! Now this is ready to bake in the oven for 44 minutes. That's right. So my mom is gonna bake it still in 4 minutes. Bye. See you next time on Cooking with Gigi. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!